Right now we're going to go over a tutorial of the deal analysis calculator. You can find the deal analysis calculator in many places in the app, but basically anywhere that you see this little calculator symbol, that's when you get to the deal analysis calculator. Click on that button right there to get access to it, and it'll give you instant information as far as what's going on with this particular deal. So you need to plug in the correct information, of course, to get accurate information as far as rehab, what you're hoping to purchase the property for, and the ARV, the after repair value. Now, for example, if you're having a hard time figuring out what the ARV is, we'll click on this button here to give some help. This will give you a good start. So as you can tell, it automatically has the square footage from the parcel information, and all you got to do is hit this button here, and you're going to plug in the average square foot of the property selling in the area. So let's just say 175. And you always want more than just one. So let's say 200. And so as you can tell, just by going through and doing averages as far as square footage, always check a professional, but as a quick analysis, this is just fine. You're seeing our average ARV in this area for a house in that square footage is 459,375. So I can go ahead and plug in the ARV right there, 459,375. I go back into the main menu for the deal analysis calculator. Now, obviously, if the ARV is $450,000, I just kind of plugged in numbers, so we always get screwed up. So if I purchase the property at, let's say, $300,000, I'm going to have to use a lot more hard money because you're going to have to plug in your own information as far as how much private money you're going to be using, how much private money you're using, the cost of the private money, your whole time, how much hard money you're using, how much the cost is the hard money. So all this information is very important. So let's just say I'm using $250,000 of hard money, which there means I would have to bring up another $95,000 in private money. So if that was the case, and it cost me 13% to borrow the private money, in this particular deal, with these particular numbers, I would have an estimated value or profit of making $65,000 and change.